How to import Google Contacts to Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Contacts. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Organize, which is located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down till you find Import from File option. Click on Import from File. Then you will find all your Google ID in here, or you can simply click on Add from a new ID and log into your Gmail. And after you log in, simply all your Google contacts will be imported. And this is how to import Google Contacts to Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.